Okay. Yeah. Yes. Are we hayaing? Is it a good haya? Yes, I think so. How was everybody today? Sorry, it's been chaotic yesterday, because South Africa, I had no power. So I missed my New York session. I was so bummed. You guys don't understand. I was so upset. I was so excited to trade yesterday. And then, womp womp. Hey, option seller, how you doing? Hey, Boom Banana, I wasn't able to trade yesterday because South Africa being South Africa, I had no power. So no electricity for me, so I couldn't trade New York yesterday, so that sucked. I was super bummed. But excited you're here. Hi, are you ready? So I could not redeem myself after yesterday's London session, so that sucked. But it is what it is. I'm sorry, I didn't do it on purpose, I promise. I actually really wanted to be there. Also, I'm glad you're here, Boom Banana, because I decided that I will 100% listen to you today on New York. You tell me to take a trade, I'll take a trade. I was thinking of it yesterday and I was like, okay, fine. Let's give it a go. No pressure, obviously, right? No pressure. Yeah. Do you not want to do it in London? Give it a go in London? That sounded weird, but you know what I mean. Why are we not working? There we go. Kind of working. Sure, there's a lot of equal highs going on. Okay, bet. Let's give it a try. Hopefully my power decides that it's gonna freaking stay. And yes, I just said bet. I know that's a very, teenager thing to say, but YOLO! Oh well. Diamante, you're in the vertical, aren't you? I think that's what it is. You're in the vertical stream. Okay, Boom Banana, it's on. Yeah. I do have the normal one up as well, if you prefer that one. Why is it not showing? Both chats. Why is it like this? Why do things never work? Ah, there we go. Okay. It's gonna work now. Hey, LP, how are you doing? Oh, cool. Just chilling on your iPad today. Aren't you a damn cool kid? I do not have an iPad. To be fair, I don't really know if I want one, but it's okay. Anyways, how was everyone's New York session? Maybe I should start with that. I was having proper FOMO. I'm so upset I could not join. Diamante, anything good for you? Not really. Me. Boom Banana, were you booming again? There we go. Booming it is. You have a look here. Okay. Okay, guys, are we ready for this? Ah, Boom Banana, maybe one day when I'm a cool kid like you. Oh my gosh, I have so many hiccups today. Oh, it's so not fun. Okay. And then let me check the other time frames. This is gonna drive me mental. Give me a second. Yeah. Okay. I was just checking this, to be honest. Um, so what I think is gonna happen, think being the keyword, is I do believe it's gonna go down, maybe take the Asia lows and then pop up. Let's check the 15-minute. Okay, so 15-minute, it's still bearish. Yes, but it is still bearish. Well, like barely. This is freaking whatever. So let's see. What's your bias for today, Boom Banana? What are you thinking? Haha. See? 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 Bearish. Nailed it. Why is everyone being so quiet today? Damn. What's going on, people? It's just one of those days. Hey, James. What is Ichimoku? Hey, SK, how you doing? How's the trading been going? The 614 level. Oh, no, okay. I was going the wrong direction. That would help. Okay, why? Hey, Birdie, how you doing? Fair value gap. Okay. And a little bit of a whatchamacallit, auto block. Jeez Louise. Guys, my brain. Do you know what the problem is? I don't have my coffee with me today. Oh, oh well. Oh no, SK. Why? What? Why? What happened? Why'd you go short? Or was it just bad luck? Okay. Birdus. Birdus got it. I will call you Frodis. Okay, cool. Well, let's see. I mean, right now we just moving sideways. And I will be good today. If it is choppy, no trade. I have to remind myself that. If it's choppy, why has it been so freaking choppy? Anyone know? Is it just being dumb for no good reason? Range market. Very much, James. It is very much a range market, which is frustrating. More trending. It's a little bit of both. So you go with the market trend, but it tends to be quick ones. But yeah. So let me get this straight. On the days that they are news, it's choppy because people are scared of what news is going to say. But on the days, did I say that right? Yes. But on the days where there is no news, the market is then boring. I thought on the days when there was no news, at least the market would do something because people weren't sitting around waiting for the news. Does that make sense? Yeah. Just news in general. I just find news days are bleh. Don't know about you, James. You think so, SK? Why is that? Valid, let's see. Hey! Manu? Yeah? Is gold bullish? Well, there's some really high resistance in this 487 area on ES. There, it's gone back down. Let's see if it breaks the high on ES. Hmm. 100%, James, listen. But there is no news today, right? Hope it sells all the way down. I saw this. I feel like I missed something really cool yesterday. Look at this. What the heck? Well, you said no, I would have been very much asleep. Are you talking about this? You wanted to go all the way down here at, what's that? 479. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. ADHD kicked in. Whee! There we go. Have music again. Sorry, guys. 267. Oof, maybe I do need another coffee. It's fine. We'll be okay. Who needs coffee? Okay, Boom Banana, there's that that spot you were talking about. Awesome, awesome. Menu, what's my bread and butter instrument? I use a GAN with a 2R win rate. I mean, not a 2R win rate. Oh my gosh. Can you pump? Oh, Diamante, yay, well done. Oh, sorry, James. I'm on NQ Futures. Well, MNQ, micro NQs. Well, let's have a look-see. Boom Banana, let's see what it does now. It took that spot. It looks like it's respecting it, kind of. Sure, okay. The spread's pretty hectic today. Menu, I am South African. Yeah. Born and raised. Where are you from, Menu? I hope I'm saying that right. I apologize if I'm not. Apologies. Oh, nice. Okay. Where was your... Bye. Thanks. Much appreciated, Menu. Hey, Ricardo, how you doing? Hello from South Africa. Nice. You sold. Okay. What happened to telling me what to do? Huh? Huh? What the heck, Boom Banana? You had one job. Honestly. Oh my gosh. I think that would have tagged me out. That would have made me freaking cry. Can you even imagine? Yeah, but you must like be like, okay, put it here for a sell. There, done. But you're right, you did say it at this area. I will listen next time. I'll be quicker. Oh, thanks, Menu. Menu. Jeez, what is wrong with me today? English is just not Englishing. Ricardo, how's your trading day going? Yeah, true. Okay, valid. Valid. Against the law. Really? Okay, fine. I'll listen to your zones next time. Are you out? Where was your TP, Boom Banana? Yes. From here to there, would your stop have been at the highs? Where would your stop loss? Oh, that's cool. Okay, right above the green candle does not help. There's that little green doji. Or there's this, I know my chart's not green and red, but I know that the blue would be green and the white would be red. If looking at same market daily has inside bar, what do you mean by that, James? Diamante, what are your thoughts for today? What do you think's gonna happen? Curious to see what you think. Boom Banana, I am on the 1 minute. Ah, okay. John, you think it's gonna be a bullish day? Let's have a look-see. I mean, it does kind of look like it nearly broke highs on ES. Not on NQ though, but the DAC does love to do its own thing sometimes. I've come to accept it. I'm not going to say respect it or like it, but accept. Hey Pat, how you doing? 615. Boomanana, I don't know if I've ever asked you this. Do you just do a market buy or sell? No, it said it tapped you in. See, then I'm confused because 615 hit. Target 605. Okay, cool. Oh, interesting, John. Okay. So now you just think it's going to start climbing up. Here's a question, like a genuine question. What makes you say, or what makes you think low of the week was maybe formed yesterday? What indication was it that makes you say that? Like a genuine question. I want to know. For like 10 points. Yep, got it. Yes, I got my power back. Living in South Africa is fun sometimes. So for those of you that did not know, I could not trade New York yesterday because my power decided that it was just not working. So that was fun. Diamante price action has been pretty bad though. Yes, it has. Ooh, awesome. Okay, so then I'm super excited for tomorrow and Friday. If you think it's going to be good trend days. Market order. Okay, cool. Boomanana, it's hard to explain. Click on your link. There's no link. NQ is buy trade. Okay. Let's look and see. I don't think the chat allows links. I hear that, Pat. Here we go. Yeah, Boomanana, you did call it. Oop, there it is. Okay, to be fair, there is a little bit more momentum than yesterday. So that's nice. It's not just chip-chopping all over the place. Here we go, headed for the Asia low. Hence now, let's see, is it going to take Asia low and then climb? Or is it going to just keep melting? Lame, thanks, Boomanana. Oh, interesting. Thanks, John. Thanks. Yeah, I've heard August has just been trash. Yeah. But I mean, it's nearly done for you guys. Summer's nearly starting for me. Beach days, let's do this. Learning how to surf. Those are in the cards. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. Boom banana. Email? Yeah? Okay. So it didn't quite touch the lows. This would have been a little bit risky. Yeah, sure. I will do that. Oh, listen. I don't think you understand how freaking awesome it is here. And poop. I was thinking it, I was too late. It is what it is. There we go. Okay. Took Asia lows, now let's see what it does. Boom banana, I think I have your email address. I'll pop you an email. Give me 2 seconds. Pepper. And you, who? Allow 8? I hope I said that right. Oh, sorry, guitar guy. How you doing, by the way? Allow 8. I'm on NQ Futures, Nasdaq. Well, micros, so MNQ, if you will. What do you trade? How was everyone's trading day yesterday? Those that told me, you sound like you had a pretty decent day. Those that have not told me, how was it? Oh, yay! Nice, guitar guy. Also, I'm assuming you play guitar guy. Is that a bad assumption? Decent assumption? Me? Hey, Full View Trading. No, I am from South Africa. Okay, here we go. I'd be nervous to take a sell now, but Oh, cool. Didi? Hi. Diamante, you're trying to make it through the week. I hear that. I really do. No! I can't talk though. And my guitar also is chilling in my cupboard right now. Having the best nap of its life. Can I play? No. Do I want to play? Yes. Do I ever practice? No. Should I be practicing? Obviously. But why would I do that when I have just so much more fun trading with you guys? Full View Trading, so I'm still a baby. I have only been trading since April. this year. So not even a year yet. Like I said, I'm still pretty new. There we go. So I'm looking to fill this Mahusive candle over here. Seriously guys, what the heck happened last night? That we had this huge push. No. Allow 8. No. It's working. Oh, full view trading. To be honest, probably the mental side. Strategy is difficult as well because I think I have a good one now. I hope so. So I have a decent one now. I was struggling with strategy, which then messes with your mental game. So if you don't have a nice strategy, you start to doubt things and do dumb things. Mental side. The mental side I still struggle with. Like yesterday, I took, let's say 2 out of the 3 trades. So there were losses. But number 1, I took because I don't even know. I shouldn't have taken it because I'm not supposed to trade when there's chop, but I did. Oh, I took it because I missed 2 winning trades. So I was like, well, no, then I just have to get into the next one. And then obviously failed. And then I revenge traded, which is bad. So mental side, I still struggle with the mental side. How about you, full view trading? How long have you been trading for? Boom banana is gonna melt down. Okay, how long do you think it's gonna melt down for? Also, let me quickly see. Ah, okay, cool. Okay, got it, boom banana, thanks. Yeah, LP, it's fun. And yeah. Also telling yourself when to stop trading. Not always super easy. Like when to call it a day. Not stop trading, you know what I mean? Like say no more trades left for today. Ooh, okay. Do we think we're gonna have a little bit of a... Full view trading, Full view trading, I kind of hope so because look, I'm getting better. Well, I think I am. You guys that have been watching me for a while, you can let me know if I am getting better. Yo, I used to be bad. I used to be really, really bad. And you've been trading since May 2023. Awesome. That's pretty freaking decent. Okay, do we think this is a good idea, bad idea? Let's see. That might be too late. I could just make it stop then. until my TP is hit. But normally, well, the hope is for the strategy to be a quick one. Is it always? No. Sometimes it can be as quick as 2 minutes. Sometimes I think I've sat in a trade for up to like nearly 15 minutes before. Maybe longer. No, I think there was a longer trade. To be fair. LP, you're long. Hey, trade together. How's it going? Hey, Khan. How you doing? So, Didi, you think bag holders from India, that's why. Yesterday was a pump, today is the dump. Oh, interesting. Well, LP, let's see. Let's see what this does. Well, you trading. Sorry, I only saw your message now. Yes, following the plan is easier said than done. 100%. Like now, but I'm sticking with the trend. I can't be upset about whatever happens. Right, you see, I have to hold on to something. Apparently, my little plait is it today. So we shall see if this was a good or bad idea for sure. Thanks, Didi. Let's see. It's not looking great right now, is it? Nope. There it's pumping. But I stuck with trend. Really? Why Guitar Guy? Hey Frankie B, so my electricity went out yesterday. The fun and joys of living in South Africa. It's just days where it goes, no. So, yeah, my electricity was out yesterday, so I couldn't trade. Do you know how bummed I was? I was a grumpy goose yesterday because of that. I was utterly unimpressed. There's such a good meltdown on ES and not on NQ, which means, damn it, it might come and actually be a long. Yeah, it's why I do the 1 minute Guitar Guy. It's a little bit more quicker. Don't sit in a trade for as long. Because then I kind of sit there and I'm like, no. Cheese and sprinkles. A little bit of a wick gave me a little bit of hope. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I just mustn't watch, guys. Are gonna have to distract me. Frankie B, how was your New York session yesterday? Let's ask you that. Frankie B, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just need to be better. I gotta be better for you guys. I'm so sorry. I should have just, I don't know, use my anxiety power to just like boot everything up, right? I'll do my best to be better next time. I'm so sorry. Five, yeah. Yeah, that's exactly it. Okay, let's see. If it hits 200, then I shall move it to break even. Be boss. Boom banana, yeah, I am. What? Oh. You scared me? Aw, sorry, LP. You think so? Oh. Let's see. No, just leave hands away. Aw, thanks, Top G. Anyways. Yeah, you do. Boom banana. What the heck, my guy? Diamante, you really think so? What makes you think that? Just out of curiosity. What is it doing? Make me a little bit nervous. I'm gonna move it to break even. I know that's a little bit cheeky. Let's see. London did this yesterday. Interesting, full view trading. Full view trading. So I had a friend that does trading and they kind of showed me the ropes and helped me get started. So I got into it because I would like to be a little bit more independent. Maya, over your entire trading, do you think you are profitable? No, not yet. Why? Boom banana, do not jinx it. Pat, kind of, yes. John, trade should run now. Okay. Let's see, it's hitting a lot of resistance on ES. It's why I got a little bit nervous because it's hitting something. There's a lot of buyer resistance going on ES. I'll answer this question now, SK. Oh, yeah, Diamante. No, it's... But remember, I haven't been doing the strategy that long yet. The strategy is still fairly new. Yeah. Well, it's getting there. It's getting there. Let's see. Like I said, I'm not getting hopes up. I'm going with whatever happens, happens. SK, you did you answer? How was your trading day yesterday? I don't think you told me how it went. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I do know about that one, John. I see. Yes, the new week opening. Oh, is that what the resistance is? Okay, cool. SK, that's not terrible. Like, it's obviously still a loss, but it's not a major one. No, that sounds weird. Like a loss is a loss, but it's not like you lost tons. Yeah, good. I'm glad. I'm glad that you are happy. That's amazing. See, you're getting there. What did you change, by the way? Oh, thank you. Okay. Well, let's see, John. I got my faith in you now. Let's hope that it does. It'll be awesome if it does. But let's see. So basically, when it breaks through the resistance, it should properly start melting. Okay, what? You changed not to think the thinking. Did I read that right? Oh, okay. So you're able to eliminate the thinking by not thinking. I mean, that's kind of how it works, right? No. No. It's gonna hit my break even. Oh. So like this. Where it's gonna take me out for a break even. Yep. No? Yep. There we go. Well, break even. Oh, thanks for the subscribes, guys. Much appreciated. Let's see. Captain Crunch. Yes and no. I wasn't able to get in here. I mean, I could have done a market. Break even. Thanks, Pat. All the time. Acer gains? Yes. Does the market often annoy me? Yes. Every single day. Wait. Oh, banana, are you going? Was because you were watching that I got a break even. Watch, if I start getting wins now, boom banana, me and you are gonna have words. Okay? Just saying. Me and you are gonna have words. Oh, thanks, John. Yeah, break even's better than a loss. Captain Crunch, I'm trading NASDAQ micros, so MNQ. Yeah. Wow, boom banana. But maybe apparently boom banana is my bad luck charm. Funded, John? SK, are you in a trade right now? I didn't even ask. Oh, Captain Crunch, so I do both. London obviously doesn't have as much momentum as New York, but some days it's actually pretty decent. I mean, this little drop here was not bad. I'm like, not bad for London. Let's see. There we go. 40 points. Okay, you know, it's nothing like New York, but it's something. Gonna short at 600. Okay, SK, let's see. But yeah, Captain Crunch, I do both. However, it kind of looks like it's gonna start chopping, and my rule is if it's choppy, do not trade. Sorry, can you see I have to keep reminding myself about these things quite often. I'm gonna go short at 600. Why? Just why? Out of curiosity. Not judging, just asking what you're seeing there. Hey, slow boy, how's it going? Hey! Sorry, I heard something weird. Hey, German Stock, how you doing? No. Do I look Amish? Sorry, that was, yeah, what? Super random. Now you got me curious. What makes you think that? %. Area. Okay, cool. So this, essentially. Well, 600's up here. Oh my gosh, little boy, damn! That's amazing! What did he do? Or did you just teach him that well? No, I only trade MNQs right now. I didn't have time to make my coffee this morning. I'm a little bit bummed. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I'm like a grumpy goose because I don't have my coffee. Oh, that's amazing, slow boy. So were you with him? And were you like helping him through the trades? Or no? How long has he been trading for? What's your version of new? Like within the month? Just curious about this. Obviously, I'm oh, hey, too late. No, would have been lost. What the hell? Within the week, damn, what the heck? Holy moly. What strategy were you guys using? Captain Crunch, I've only been trading since April. But apparently someone who started like within the week is doing freaking better than me. Nice. Yeah, so I'm not even a year yet. Still a baby. I'm just a baby. Gosh, it just sounds like there's so much chaos going on outside right now. Sorry if I look distracted, there's just noise. Okay. awesome. Oh, cool. Okay, and clearly just freaking working for you guys. Okay, had a break of structure on NQ, not on ES though. Gonna wait and see for confirmation if there is an actual break of structure. Trade Delicious, how are you doing? So only one trade in, it was a break even. So I guess okay, wasn't bad. How about you? Anything decent? How was yesterday? Guys, you don't understand how upset I was yesterday. If you want to see grumpy, you should have seen me. Oh my. It takes a lot to get me grumpy, but I was here. I was utterly unimpressed. No, Frankie B, that's just me all the time. Also, I am on a prop. I am using Tradeify. So I have ES chart here, obviously NQ here. I kind of jump between. I just quickly do this. Oh, hey, Dennis. Very good freaking question. Number one advice would be practice your discipline and give yourself rules. Like the strategy, obviously, if you have a strategy that works for you, that would probably be number one. Find a strategy that works for you, that you enjoy. And then it's to practice the mental state of things because, oh my gosh, that is the thing that kicks you up the bum. Yeah, well, for me anyways, that's, you can ask everyone here, it's the thing that has been kicking me. And there's the resistance going on ES. Yeah, 100%. I just have the one. Ace against, yeah, just the one. Hey, Frankie B, you got a point there. Go on, do like a, is it worth it or not? You sound like me when it comes to people who ask about horses. I also do. It's not worth it. Don't do it. Just do not do it. That would not have gotten me in. Distance there. Okay. Go on, SL Hunter. Tell me. Slow boy, you are out here giving all the facts and really cool quotes. Actually, ooh, let me find it. I found a really cool quote the other day. Oh, I hope I didn't delete it. Aw, wait, let me go find it. Yeah. That bit of an engulfing candle, yeah. Okay, that's a fear spike. Explain. Ace of Gains, I can. I'll do it now. Interesting. Okay. Also, hi, ASL Hunter. Sorry, I didn't even, like, say hi. How's it been going? How long have you been trading for? Sorry if that's, like, too many questions. Ace of Gains, sweet and simply, it's a gain. Again. Just thinking about Ace of Gains now. It's a gain that you draw from bottom of the range, top of the range. Voila. Bon appetit. 50% entry. Your stop loss is 30% of the 50%, and then 2R win rate. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, slow boy. Oh, gosh. Oh, you're laughing at the fact that I'm using again. Which one is it? You're laughing at my amazing English. ASL Hunter, about 15 years. Damn! And profitable? I'm assuming profitable. Well, 15 years is a long time. Around 40% if you take the right trades, which I have not been doing like a chop. I made some really bad mistakes yesterday. I thought maybe you're laughing that I'm using a GAN instead of a fib. Aren't they like much of a muchness? Oh, awesome. Listen. I'm very much under the impression of you win some, you lose some. Okay, cool. So... yeah, damn, why are you yelling at me, slow boy? Sure. Yeah, let's see what happens. Well, let's see if it actually comes to get me. Maybe it won't go down all the way to 50%. Yeah, damn, no need to yell. I'm sitting right here. Oh, that spiked down. I don't know if it's gonna come in and get me. I think it's gonna start climbing now. There we go. It's also pretty late. What do you mean by pretty late? To get into the long. There it goes. Bye. Shoot, should have stuck with my original one. It's fine. See, like that. I wonder why. Why do people not like Wednesdays? No, I know people don't tend to like Mondays. Who was asking about the strategy? Ace Against. Yeah. So see there, if I had stuck with my original plan, so range to range, would have tagged me in and been a win in literally, what, 2 minutes? Would have been up 2R. But it's fine. You know, but I did not, so. Should do that so they don't look so small. Here, there we go. That looks a little bit better. Well, it's at the 600. I don't know who that is, but now I kind of have to Google who they are because I'm interested. Also, hi, Crispy Honeybee. Love your name. Thanks, SL, and I appreciate it. I am trying. I'm trying. And some days I think I've got it down, and then other days I do not. I have to now see who these are. Dreyfus? Julia Dreyfus? Oh, I like her. Okay, and? Markup penalty. That is so cool. I will take that as a compliment because both of them are beautiful. Thanks. Okay, well, it's close to VWAP now. Let's see. Ooh, it took that 600. Took the 50%. SK, are you in on this? Are you still here? Where's SK? SK's being quiet. Thanks, Crispy Honeybee. How are you doing, by the way? Welcome, welcome. Didn't even say hi. How is your trading going? It's a decent engulfing candle now. Sure, I hope it tagged SK in. Oh, amazing. Awesome. Now you're just gonna have the best day ever. Where are you at, Crispy Honeybee? Retrace back into there. Shoot, I'm gonna be too late. Nice. Whatever I did, might be. Or something. Pissed it off. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it a little bit lower. I don't think it's gonna come in to get me, but let's see. No, what time is it? Yeah. No, so I'm from South Africa. Needs to pay you in the short. SK, where's your... Oh. Okay. I was about to say. Where's your stop loss, SK? Crispy Honeybee Toronto. That is awesome. That is awesome. Well, hello from South Africa. Sunny South Africa. It's really freaking hot outside today. It's going to be boiling. I'm a little bit nervous. Oh, I'm going the wrong direction. that makes sense. I was like, oh, then. SK, I thought you were in a sell, not a buy. Oh, 575. Okay, sorry. Your stop loss is at 615. Got it, got it. Yeah, it has Prokeytix. Hi. Prokeytix, I'm not in it, unfortunately. Well, let's see if it comes up to grab me. I don't know if it will, though. Hey, Heisenberg. Perfect. Hopefully, electricity plays ball and I can actually freaking come and trade New York today. That'll be amazing. What made me decide to be short? Well, a little bit the shift in structure, the fact that on ES, there's this, I forgot the correct name for it, where there's two fair value gaps in a row, so it should theoretically come up to tag it and then come down. Now you're making me question things. What's wrong? Crispy Honeybee, do we only trade? No, so there's a bunch of different poopies. Okay, yeah, didn't come and get me. Oh well. Thank you. Thanks, Frankie B. Appreciate it. I'm gonna rather choose to bite my tongue. Anyways. Yeah, I see SL Hunter. Yeah. Pat, you know, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. I mean, it spiked up a little bit on ES to tap into it, but clearly not high enough where I wanted it. Because then, you know, my brain starts to... Wait. I agree. So, I started losing money when I started attempting market buys and sells. Because then I was just being reckless and I was just saying, buy, sell. And then, like, seeing, for example, I would have seen this little bit of an engulfing candle and I would have just said buy, which then resulted in a losing trade. And I had that a few times, and now I'm trying to decide if this is a good idea or bad idea. Potentially not a bad idea. Let's see. It could potentially just go all the way up. Ooh. This is a very small range. And a doji on ES. Cool, cool. Glad I didn't do that. Little less glad I didn't do that. Yeah, so that's why it was kind of after that that I really specifically started focusing on the mental part of it. Oh, for crying out loud. Anyways. Yeah, but everyone's here to try and help, right? At the end of the day, everyone sees things differently, and sometimes they're correct, and sometimes they're wrong. But that is the thing with trading, which I find quite entertaining. Ideal Forex Institute. Best trader ever. Okay, I'll go and have a... Let me make a note quick. If this goes to my TP, I'm gonna be like, okay, cool, whatever. Oh, thanks, James! Maybe double check what... Thanks for the tip, top, GG top. Yeah. Is it actually laddering down or is it now choppy? Frankie B, I haven't even asked you. Are you in any trades? You just watching today? Crying out loud. And this is what I mean. Where I should take trades, I don't. Where I shouldn't have taken trades, I do, because that would have been such a, a terrifying win. Don't get me wrong. Terrifying. But a nice win altogether. Thanks, James. Appreciate it. Thanks for the compliment. Well, yes, I'm a... Sure, we can call me a trader for now. I'm not gonna say I'm a good one yet, but I'm getting there. I'm working at it. Okay, has not taken anything. Okay, so that one would have been a loss. Noted. Was this all because it hit an order block? Because that's quite a hectic movement. Hey, Jazz Trades. Awesome. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, I can't actually talk. I don't know what previous years look like. But my trader friend said that it's been not so fun this year. It's been a little bit less predictable, a little bit choppy. No, Pat, no, you didn't. Don't worry. You didn't. It didn't tag me in. This one I didn't take because I was doubting the size because it was quite small. Would have been a win, it would have been terrifying, but it was just a little bit too small for my liking. So, wait. Jazz, you opened a short a few hours ago. What time? Also, where are you from? Because I can't ask what time, because my time is probably different. Pat, have you put a trade in, by the way? I didn't even ask. I feel so rude. awesome. Nice. Well, you know, so I do MNQ. MES would probably be better. ES looks like it just works better, but nice. 1 micro short. Amazing. Well done. Yeah, that's exactly it, Frankie B. It's back to chippy chopping. I wonder if this was just a fake out, like the fellas just said screw it. Oh no, wait, you know what? It went to take the fair value gap. Right, SK. See? I'm learning. Slowly, but I'm learning. However, if we look at market structure... No, wait, I should look at market structure in the higher time frames. What? No, MNQ's a delight. I have so much fun. Okay, so we still haven't really had a break of structure on the higher time frames. So we are still bearish. We are still bearish. Sorry, sorry, did you see the cogs spinning? Jazz trades, no. I trade the 1 minute. I do the quick, the noisy, I guess. I trade with the noise. Hourly would probably be... I don't want to say easier, but easier. I think it's easier to see things. Like everyone says, there's not as much noise when it comes to the higher time frames. The lower time frames, oh my gosh. So noisy. I'm curious to see if this is a break of structure or not. Oh, thanks SL Hunter. Hopefully, well, maybe. See you later for the New York session. Hopefully. If not, I hope you have an amazing day and have amazing dreams. Come again, the 10 yearly candles. Okay, cool. You're joking. You... like, for a second, I was like... Okay. Oh, flip. Jazz trades, boring is best for you. Good. Yeah, Frankie B, you actually had me there for a minute. I was like, is that a thing? It is not a thing. But for a minute, my brain did malfunction and I went, oh my gosh. You got me good. Nicely done. Nicely done. Oh, Jazz trades. Okay, cool. So you've been trading for 8 years. Oh. And the 1 hourly works best for you. So when I started, I actually started... I haven't even looked at the 4 hour, to be honest. I started with the 5 minutes. I started with the 5 minutes, but I don't know if you can tell. I may have a teeny tiny little bit of ADHD. Don't know if it's obvious. And the 5 minutes was almost too slow, and then I would start doing dumb things because my brain wasn't focusing. But I have heard decent things about the hourly. I've also heard really good things about the 15 minutes and 5 minutes. So I am slowly in the process of backtesting if this, so that's what I actually went and did there. I don't know if you saw with the 15 minutes of backtesting of if I don't get into an entry on the 1 minute, if I then change to the 5 minutes, see if I can get an entry in there. If not, see if it will work on the 15 minute. I'm currently backtesting it. Let's see if it goes and starts melting down, because then the 15 would have actually been awesome. Oh, interesting, James. And how long have you been trading for? Okay, I'll be right back. I have to let my dog out. I can hear him complaining. BRB. I mixed that, you know what I mean. Okay, I'm back. Ooh! I'm back and pausing drama. Sorry, Jazz Trades. Okay. Back. Focused, kind of. Mostly. Yeah, we're focused. We're focused. Way too far. That one does not work. That one would have worked there. Okay. That would have been a very long, stressful trade, but it would have worked. Noted. I do just get nervous when it starts chopping a little bit. Especially because it's not breaking structure, it's just kind of... Oh, wait, did I speak too soon? Are we actually going to have a proper melt? Oh, nice. Okay. There we go. There we go. How many points? One. And tapping into that one? Not yet. Nice, Jazz. Where's your TP? Oh wait, I don't have the correct chart up. Took that liquidity. Hit this resistance level again. Going for 572. I might be too late to get into this. Nope, don't do it. up 90 now on all accounts. Well done, Jazz Trades. Let's see. Where's your stop loss at, James? Let's see if this goes down now. Oh, nice. Okay. I'm hoping this was the right call. Okay. Well, I'm in. Let's see. It's now hands off, right? Hands off. Jazz Trade, so on the higher time frame it was still bearish, so I do believe it is still bearish. When I checked the 15 minutes it was very much still bearish. Yeah, they do. ES is supposed to drive NQ. Does it always? But no, I hope this wasn't a mistake. So I was thinking that, James. I was thinking that. It didn't sweep that much on ES. I really thought it would go a little bit further down. Actually take the main liquidity, well, main liquidity. Yep. The same. I'm really hoping. I mean, it has been wanting to stay bearish. Unless I'm cheeky and I just move my stop a little bit. No. Ah, cool. Gonna get caught in a chop. So, okay, out of curiosity, so I've asked people previously, but you guys all knew. What, no. Oh, don't worry, I'm stressed for me too. It's fine, can you see I'm just like death gripping my hands? Hoping, huh? Whatever. So, out of curiosity, right? What do you think is better? A higher R winning trade, but the win rate is not that high? Or like a 0.5 R trade? Does that make, I hope I'm making sense right now. But the win rate is extremely high. I'm gonna get stopped out. LP apparently. Oh my gosh. Oh, thanks, Capital Trading Concepts. I'm trying. You think so? Why Capital Trades? Just out of curiosity. Brother Menez, I hope I said that right. I am trading prop, and you let the market decide for you. Explain that one, Jazz. Sorry, out of curiosity. So fighting futures. Oh my gosh, guys, am I... Okay, let me actually focus on speaking English. What do you do? Yeah, I know 3 hours are, I want to say typical. How the hell am I still in this? Okay, anyways. Amir, I'm with Tradeify. Yeah. So I used to have a 1-to-1R. I just think my win rate wasn't high enough. So I would get some wins and then unlucks. I'm just gonna keep focusing on you guys. Manu, I'll have a look. Oh damn, nice. Fighting futures. That was terrifying. I don't think all my contracts made it, but cool. Thanks. So some contracts got tapped out here. How many? Some. And then the rest were here. Cool. Cool. That was a highly stressful one. Thanks, Capital Trading Concepts. Anyways, yeah, and that just tagged me out. Nice. Okay. That was sure. I'll call it a win. Thanks, James. No, you're right. You're right. Thanks, Fighting Futures. On that absolute terrifying note, I don't think I'll put another trade in. Well, took that liquidity and all the way there. Has not taken the liquidity on ES yet. But it did take the liquidity on NQ. And I'm not trading ES, but I know ES drives. Do you see I have this constant little battle in my brain? Oh, nice. Okay. Hey, Zar. Yes, I do. I stream both London and New York, so I will be back later this afternoon. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm so sorry. I'm weird and I cannot do poopies. I'm taking this one. I mean, I could still. Could I? Me. Did not respect the fair value gap at all. Just a bit too much push now, isn't it? Aw. Thanks, Brandon. Yeah. No, I agree. Way too risky because it just took all that liquidity. It's fine. I'm not going to put another trade in for London. I will then trade New York. Hopefully, guys. Oh, like I said, sorry, everyone that has been, that was listening earlier knows that I was super salty yesterday evening because my electricity decided, I mean, you know, South Africa, electricity was out, so I missed New York session yesterday. I was butthurt. Fighting futures. I think it's just, well, no, I'm not going to. I sometimes just keep forward testing to confirm and double check things. So I had the feeling, because it took this liquidity here, so I did have the feeling it was going to be a proper push up or a reversal. But so then I kind of forward tested, if that makes sense. Yeah, sorry. If you guys don't mind, would you please like the stream? I would be much appreciated, and thanks. Yeah, thanks, guys. Yes, okay, cool. I'm glad I'm making sense, because sometimes my brain is thinking things and the mouth is not cooperating. Fighting futures, do you normally trade New York? Or is London... No, mostly New York, right? No, I've learned my lesson. I've done that a few times. Again, this is me learning the mental part of it. Haroon! I mean, technically, yes. The vertical and the normal. Normal, right? Oh, cool. Oh, so I'm gonna see you later, Zar. Nice. Oh, that's so cool. Fighting futures. Amazing. Yeah, here. Listen, it is super amazing in South Africa. So, I don't know. Someone mentioned a poll. Where was it? I saw something and I missed it. I apologize if I missed that. With regards to what's better with regards to the trades, like higher R's or quicker. So maybe I actually should do something like that. Would be very interesting to see what people think. I know the higher R's look more impressive, right? My accent? Oh, thanks for the new subs, guys. Much appreciated. And Vasco, thanks for the sub. Same goes for you, Tim, and Picargo. Did I nail that, or is it like sea cargo? Okay, Jet. Okay. Interesting. So you have the fib there, and if you see it's not going, you'll just close the trade. So I'm just I'm making sure I understand. Or if you see it's going properly, then do you move your TP higher? So, oh, I'm gonna get a lot of hate for this. So much hate. Are you guys ready? I, as a South African, have never been to Cape Town. Yeah. I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that. Well done! Whoop whoop! That's amazing! I'm so proud of you! Are you like on cloud 9 right now? I'm so proud of you, that's awesome, well done. Giant whoop whoop for you. Yeah, well done and well held. Wait, your TP was 575. Oh. So it just missed you. It climbed all the way back up and then dropped down to get you. Well done. Zara, are you a South African? I know, yeah. I know it's bad. I am aware that it is bad. And a lot of people are not mad, they're just disappointed. No, I'm joking, they're just angry. Jordy! Hello, yes. SK? Got a whoop whoop? To be fair, a lot of people are getting whoop whoops. So, Zar, are you in Cape Town? Nice. What? Thanks, guys. That's amazing. Also, hi, GBK. How you doing? Missed you, my man. So, Geordie, I had a break even here and a terrifying win over here. I mean, look at this thing. I think I got some of my contracts out, but not all of them. And then went to my TP in one freaking candle. Yeah, that was... Yeah, that was stressful. Oh, nice! Smart, ne? Oh. Votes? Is that right? Did I get that right? So yes, that's what you missed, Geordie. Geordie, have you had whoop whoops today? Nice. Hello, welcome. How are you doing? Yeah, I was getting, I can say this. You guys, most of you guys will understand. I was getting cucked on by Zar. Not really. I'm just joking. No, you weren't. Because I had never been to Cape Town before. I'm in the South Coast. So I used to live in Pretoria. And literally this month I have moved down to the South Coast. Yeah. Very, very cool. GBK, what? You're done for this session. Going back to sleep. That's a good idea. Okay, amazing. Have an amazing nap, GBK. Did you have a winning trade? Didn't tell me anything. Well, then hopefully I'll see you in New York if you think you're gone. Bye. I'll ask him then. Well then, guess what? You get a whoop whoop before you go have a nap. Well done. Well done. Holy cow. Hello. We've got some momentum, people. Holy cow. Nice, nice. There we go. Yeah, I had no power yesterday. That was a bummer. That's why I wasn't in the New York session. Vix is moving. Did he? So usually when the market's slow, I take profit in a smaller. Oh, interesting. Okay, it does make sense, though. That does make sense. Thanks. Oh, well done. James, are you tagged? Ron? Womp womp, but then also whoop whoop for now. Well done. I'm sorry about that accidental. I've done that with contracts before where I accidentally put too many and then I go, what is happening? And then I realize and I go, oh no. Oh, Perky Ticks, thanks, my man. Or my person. Sorry, I don't like to assume. Brandon, likely bounce at 2561. Well, it has officially, yeah, it might bounce now because it took equal lows on ES now, so there might be a little bit of a retracement. Let's see. I'm gonna stick around for another 10 minutes. I'm not gonna put another trade in. See, this is the discipline coming through. Gotta practice my discipline. It's really hard sometimes, but I'm gonna practice. I'm gonna practice my discipline. I've had 2 decent trades now. Save the rest for New York. Oh no, Geordie. I'm so freaking sorry. That sucks. That sucks a lot. I've done that. I've done it where I closed while it was in the red for it to not hit my stop loss and go all the way down to my TP. Do you know how amazing that felt? That was amazing. John D, sorry, I only saw this now. Closing and opening, crossing this thing. That's interesting. Yeah, listen, because thinking is a problem. Oh, nice, Prokitix, but means you had a win, right? I'm assuming. Because that was a very decent melt. Oh my gosh, Prokitix, damn! Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. So I went, okay, we had a win, question mark, yeah, a win and a break even. Now let's wait for New York before I maybe do something silly and then I'll feel like a fool. There's more opportunities in New York, so that's what I will do. I'll wait for New York to do the trade. If I missed anyone's messages, oh no, I do apologize. South Africa, it's morning. Well, nearly midday, but Have a good nap. I'll see you later, GBK. Ooh. Amit, I hope it goes. Cheers, GBK. Nice, Geordie. Look at you go, Cupcake. No, I'm joking. I wanted to ask Brandon if you are still here. Would this have gotten me in? Ooh, no! Let's see. If I'd done the range there, yes. If I probably would have done it there because it's right by the highs. Oh, let's see if this would have gotten me in. Let's do a little bit of forward testing. Okay, there we go. There, the spread actually would have tapped me in. Ticked me in. There we go. Sorry, Brandon. Brandon. Woo! There we go. I'm finding my brain cells. We got them. What makes you think there's a likely bounce at 2561? Zartrader. Well, right now I'm just with Traderfy. We are a little bit limited in South Africa, to be honest. I'm going to have a look into 2 other prop firms, so keep an eye out. I'm gonna have a look at those, but I don't want to say anything yet because I haven't had a proper look into it and I don't want to give you guys the wrong information. Create a channel and just push down. Oh, okay, got it. A lot of people are with Traderfy, hey? It's either, so I've heard Traderfy top step, but we don't have that in South Africa. Diamante, I think Diamante left. Huh. Oh well. TickTick? I have not heard of TickTick. Huh. I'm gonna have to have a look at TickTick. I have not even heard of them. That's new. Ah. Cool. See all my South Africans coming through for me. Oh, interesting. Yeah, I find it so interesting how everyone has their different Really? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Oh, this one would have been a loss. Oh, damn. Check it out. Glad I did not take that. Holy moly. Okay, to be fair, I did say it took that low on ES, so I probably wouldn't have taken it. Okay, I'm gonna stay and stick around for 4 more minutes to see if it's gonna start melting or if this is it just gonna start shooting up. I mean, there hasn't been a break of structure. I don't know why it would start shooting up right now. So out of curiosity, I don't know if this is gonna upset some people. It might. Out of curiosity, right? Are there any prop firms you guys don't recommend? Like you've tried and it was just terrible? Purely out of curiosity. You don't have to answer that one. Cheers, Zar. Enjoy. Hopefully see you later. Okay. Enjoy. Ah, interesting. Apex, 2 hard rules. Huh. Why not? Zar? I mean, not Zar, sorry. I read your name. See if it rejects, probably continue down. Breaks through, we go higher. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing, Brandon. 2568. Yeah, where am I going? All the way down here. Okay. Interesting. Thanks, John D. Sorry, I'm reading. LP. Bullnox. Awesome. Take profit. No, I saw a different one. Sorry, I was doing a little bit of research yesterday. Interesting, Ron. Okay. Interesting about Apex. Yeah, I have come to realize that some are rather costly. Oh, LP, that kind of sucks. Really? That's very interesting about Apex. Do you see this? I'm glad I asked this question. This is so interesting because people normally just say, oh, I'm with this and I'm with this, I'm with this. Best DJ in town. So interesting. I don't know if we're allowed to take profit in South Africa. I'm not sure about that one. Oh, well, wait, maybe. I'll have to check about that one. I know Bullnox, I hope I'm saying that right. Bullnox is. So that's one I've been having a little look into. I'm interested in Bullnox. I know, but that is the thing. Poor South Africans. The exchange rate is a killer. Oh my gosh. The exchange rate. Oh. What? They give you 11 accounts. What the heck? That's interesting. Who can afford Nando's? No, you got a valid point there, LP. No, I just go for the little, the hot pots. They're cheap. That's all I can do from Nando's. But they're yummy, so it's fine. So someone mentioned not earn to trade. Out of curiosity, why? What did you guys find? Was it just, yeah. There we go, Jazz. So, why? Again, curiosity. I just want your honest opinions. Or else I wouldn't have asked the question. I'm really glad I did. This is awesome information. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate it. Yeah. Oh, interesting. I wonder if they still have that or if it's changed now. Because They were the other ones I was reading up on, and they sounded pretty decent. Brandon, strong buy volume bars. Yeah. Oh. So you guys had me completely distracted. Yeah, it looks like there's been a shift. Shall we check the higher time frames quick before I bounce? Took those lows, and now it looks like it's headed for a little bit of a break of structure. I mean, still hasn't broken structure, so I don't want to say, oh, it's break, but see what it looks like on the 15-minute. Let's see if this is actually going to be a break of structure. Oh, on ES, yeah. So John D, I do have my VWAP up. Also on ES, I can see it's headed towards it, so it looks like it's gonna bounce. I feel like it sometimes respects VWAP. Yeah. You know, it respects VWAP when I don't want it to, and it doesn't respect it when I freaking want it to. It's just the market. Oh, Jordy? Aw, chips only. You know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. Nando's is Nando's. To be fair... Oh, shoot. You guys completely distract me. I also have to go. I need to rush off to the stables quickly. I will chat to you guys later. Catch you in the New York stream. You guys were amazing. Thank you for all this information. Information overload. Huh. Is it fine? Ah, okay. Okay. Yes, we're gonna have to continue this conversation in New York. Okay. Mad love for all of you guys. See you in a few hours. Love you, bye. Oh wait, I pressed the— oh my gosh, I pressed the wrong— okay, never go. Love you. Sorry. Thanks, John D. I appreciate it. Yes, I will. Okay. Mad love. See you guys in New York. Bye.